My name is Logan.
My name is Amelia.
My name's Emmanuel.
I'm Blake.
My name's Molly.
My name is Eden. I'm a marketing intern.
I'm working in IT operations.
Customer Success Service Department.
Software development.
At Reynolds and Reynolds.
What did you think Reynolds did before you started working here?
No idea.
Something to do with cars.
I saw the application on Indeed and I was like, this seems interesting.
I kind of came in with the expectation that at least to start, I'd kind of just be doing mundane things. It was kind of surprising that almost immediately, I started training on things that actually mattered.
It wasn't more of you're an intern, it's you're a part of the team, you're doing everything with us, and I really appreciated that.
It's a good work environment and it serves as a good introduction to corporate culture. There's intern events. It ranges from professional development stuff, but there's also a volunteer day.
I think the company culture is very professional, but very personable.
Work hard, play hard. I think it is something that Reynolds definitely excels at.
There's a chess club here and I've met quite a few friends through that.
They have softball and volleyball, ways to stay fit and connect with your coworkers.
I've made a ton of new friendships since I've been here, and it's been really interesting to meet everybody. Everybody here has a different skill.
I did all the networking, routing through the entire SOC. We put in the server, I ran all the cables underneath the floor and stuff, and we put in all the cubes. That's been a year in the making. It's a really cool project.
It's been really cool to upload different posts and see them kind of show up on Facebook, X, or LinkedIn, and just kind of see that I made that.
One of my big projects this year is to create a really super cool and awesome intern day in the life video. And I've learned so much that now I can take with me back to school and be prepared.
This internship has given me a great look into marketing as a whole. I can learn all this stuff that I want at school, but it was really cool to apply it to an actual position, and I feel so much more confident about what I'm doing and what I want to do in the future.
I didn't think that I'd be here for 3 years doing this internship again. I had no clue how much I'd like it. People have been like, hey, maybe you'll like sales. Maybe you'll like talking on the phone with customers. Maybe you'll like that stuff. And it's really opened a lot of doors for me.
So much of what I've done has helped me grow as a person. There's a lot of things that I've done here that I really haven't gotten an opportunity to do elsewhere. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend Reynolds. Is a fantastic place to work, to intern.
Reynolds would be a great company to come back to. It feels like home.